can see the video. We marked them so we can know exactly where the line's at. So you can. Today we're going to bring in a saw blade sharpener. Now this system is inexpensive, easy. It's going to save you hundreds of dollars every year instead of you sending your blades or throwing them away. Your saw blades. This is a way to continue the life cycle of them. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about what you get. Included the tools, the proper tools that you need to set this up. You the instructions, of course, and they give you the blade sharpener here itself. If you guys can know, these are replaceable, easy to replace. So if you don't get the right or it starts doing up, you can always replace it. On top of that, they give you the wrenches, the Phillips, all the Allen wrenches. Like I said, everything's included in here. We're gonna put it together and we're gonna put it to use. Now, this was a beautiful item. It's very heavy. You're gonna need some extra parts, places to put this on. And another thing is very important. If you guys can see, it does come with a couple of holes there that you could actually drill down to any kind of mat place, all right? Or any kind of setting. So if you're in a wood shop, that we're here at a wood shop, and this is gonna be perfect to sharpen our blades. You know, we spend hundreds of dollars every month, every day, every week. We get dull blades and it's time to replace them. We don't like to replace them and throw them away. We want to continue the life cycles. That's what we got that machine for. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, we're gonna remove these first, all right? These are important because this is gonna be holding up the main piece of it, right? And they're already included in here, include with the Allen wrenches, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and remove them, both of them. You can put them in the plate so you won't lose them one by one, all right? Make sure that you do that. Now this is the heaviest part right here, the heaviest load. We're gonna set it up right now. We're gonna rest it in there, if you guys can see it. We'll put that one screw in there. We're gonna start twisting it in. Now we're gonna do the other one. And you don't tighten it up because they're not gonna be able to fit it on. So make sure you loosen it up before you actually tighten it up, all right? So you could be able to fit it perfectly. All you gotta do is twist them. There we go. That's nice and tight. We got the first part in there. Let's go ahead and set up the other parts, all right? There's plenty of instructions how to step by step how to do it, but this actually breaks the whole unit out in case you lose out where you're gonna replace the parts, all right? Now, they do give you pictures, but that's about it. And then just how the parts actually interchanged, connecting together. So let's go ahead and do that. But we're not done yet. We're still gonna have to install the rest of the stuff.
Esa por esta chiquita.
Tied up.
So make sure you have this wrench. That's to hold it on the back of the disc that is in do the sharpening for you. So it goes in, it inserts in there, and then you got this extra wrench that I have to tighten it at the front. So make sure you have two wrenches to tighten it up. Nice set of fittings that it comes with the blade sharpener. It comes because each blade has different arbor on the hole, so they're all different dimensions. So it comes with a really nice set for all different dimensions. The bigger the blade, the bigger you're gonna need the arbor to tighten it up. And so it's really handy that it comes with it.
All right, so it took us a couple of minutes to actually figure out how to set up the actual grinder properly. You have to tone it out to the exact blades, all right? So make sure you do that first, very important. Also, another thing is to clamp this down to the ground or put the legs even lower. But right now we're gonna clamp it, if you guys can see it, because adjusting it, you gotta make sure you're in a fixed area to do the actual blades. As you can see the video, we marked them so we can know exactly where the line's at. So you could come back to the last blade you did. Obviously, be aware to wear safety precautions, your safety goggles, your gloves, and also your headsets, all right? So you can enjoy the actual machine, and it'll save you a lot of money throughout the years. All right, so awesome machine. Saves you a lot of money, especially if you work in a wood shop and you're constantly cutting, using your saw blades. If you guys notice, look how sharp they are right now. Perfectly sharp, every edge. Now, my recommendation is make a line, a marker line like we did here. You know where you ended up, all right? So this is a great machine to go out there, take it out, save you a lot of money constantly. Make sure you get your safety gear going, and you'll enjoy this machine for many years to come. Now, there's a couple of things you should know. You can also flip over the blades and sharpen them the opposite way too. There's different ways. You're gonna have to readjust it for every single blade size, all right? Now, this is replaceable. Make sure you keep it well, neat, and maybe oil this once in a while so you can actually move the blade back and forward, and you should be good. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.